Hey everyone, welcome back to S'more Adventures, the channel where we chase the wild, the weird, and the wonderful one epic journey at a time. Today we're taking you on a drive on the northern Oregon coast. We'll be visiting two of our favorite day hikes in Cape Falcon and Cascade Head. These are a couple of our favorite quick day hikes, offering coastal cliffs, forest vibes, and those moody ocean views we can't get enough of. Come along for a laid-back day in the life on the Oregon coast. Today's hikes start at Cape Falcon, where the trail leads to dramatic cliffs that look over the Pacific Ocean. It's a great spot to get started for the day and get a little adrenaline rush. So for anybody who doesn't know who Matt Kramer is, there's a memorial set up for him on this trail, and he is the Associated Press author who got a bill passed that protects Oregon's coast. So if you've ever noticed that there's really not a lot of big cities on the coast, or there's not a lot of developed land, he's part of the reason. He worked to try and keep the Oregon coast as wild and natural as possible.
Trees, it's got warts.
All risk. Stop or don't. Know your limits. Watch your step. Do what you will. Next up is Cascade Head, one of the most scenic trails on the Oregon coast. This hike takes you through coastal forest and opens up into meadows before leading you up a high bluff with sweeping views of the ocean and the Salmon River estuary below. It's known for its wildflowers in the spring and summer, so if you're lucky, you might even spot an elk or bald eagles along the way. As we wind down the day with a cozy campfire on the beach and some well-earned s'mores, we're feeling very grateful for this incredible stretch of coastline. The Oregon coast really is a hiker's dream, with its dramatic cliffs, misty forests, and trails that open up to views you'll never forget. It's wild and rugged, but still so accessible to everyone, which makes it one of our favorite places to explore. We're so glad you came along with us today on two of our favorite hikes. Getting to share these moments, from the crashing waves to the quiet forest paths, is part of what makes living here so special. Thanks for being here, and we'll see you next week for another adventure.